Welcome to our YouTube channel SAIEDUPHARMAA. Today we are going to discuss a topic of pharmacognosy, the identification tests of glycosides based on types. So what are glycosides? Glycosides are basically organic compounds and they are present naturally in plants, animals, fungi and bacteria. Basically, they consist of a sugar molecule which is called glycon and it is attached to a non-sugar moiety which is called aglycon or genin with the help of a glycosidic bond. And the sugar component is typically glucose and various other sugars are also present like fructose, galactose or rhamnose. And aglycon is responsible for the chemical and therapeutic property of the glycosides. And the glycon moiety, it facilitates the absorption and transportation of aglycon. So this is the introduction of glycosides. Now we are going to see what are the various types of glycosides. They can be classified on the basis of nature of aglycon moiety and the type of sugar linkage. And the various types are like cardiac glycosides, flavonoid glycosides, anthraquinones, saponins, cyanogenic glycosides, coumarin glycosides, phenol glycosides, aldehyde glycosides, isothiocyanate glycosides, and triterpenoid glycosides. Then they are also classified on the basis of glycosidic bond like COS and N glycosides. Now we are going to see the first glycoside, which is cardiac glycoside. It contains a steroid or cardenolide aglycon, and because of it, it is very much helpful in the functioning of the heart. So it is called cardiac glycosides. Examples include digoxin and digitoxin. They are present in the plant Digitalis purpurea or foxglove. And the various tests include Keller-Kiliani test, Cadet test, legal test, and Baljet test. You must know various herbs containing cardiac glycosides. So examples are foxglove or Digitalis purpurea, lily of the valley, that is Convallaria majalis, and oleander, which is Nerium oleander. Now we will be seeing the test. First is Cadet test. Cardiac glycosides can be detected using this test. It involves the addition of few drops of glacial acetic acid and small amount of ferric chloride to the test solution, and the positive result is indicated by the formation of reddish brown color. Second test is legal test. In this you have to add pyridine and sodium nitroprusside drug. Then if blood red color is obtained, then it shows the presence of cardiac glycosides. Third is Baljet test. In this you have to add sodium picrate solution in drug and the orange color is obtained. Second, we are going to see flavonoid glycosides. It contains a flavonoid A-glycon which contributes to its antioxidant and pharmacological properties. So basically they are antioxidant in nature. Example, quercetin glycosides found in onions and citrus fruits. Test is Shinoda test. And other herbs containing flavonoid glycosides are ginkgo, which is Ginkgo biloba, hawthorn, which is Crataegus spp, then chamomile, which is Matricaria chamomilla. Now we are going to see the test, which is Shinoda test. So flavonoid glycosides can be detected using this test. It involves addition of magnesium ribbon and concentrated hydrochloric acid to the test solution. And the formation of pink, red or purple color shows the presence of flavonoid glycosides. Next is anthraquinone glycosides. They contain an anthraquinone A-glycon and they are used as laxatives and for anti-inflammatory property. Example includes aloe-imodin glycosides found in aloe vera and cinosides found in senna. And tests are Bontrager's test and modified Bontrager's test. And the examples of herbs, two we have already seen, aloe vera and senna. Third is rhubarb. Now this is the test, Bontrager's test. And in this we add few ml of dilute hydrochloric acid to the test solution followed by addition of chloroform. After shaking and allowing the layers to separate, the lower chloroform layer is removed and treated with dilute ammonia solution. A pink, red or violet color in the ammonia layer shows the presence of anthraquinone glycosides. This is very important. Next comes saponin glycosides. It contains a triterpene or steroid glycone, and basically they have foaming properties. So they are used as emulsifiers or detergents and have potential medicinal properties. Example are ginsenosides found in ginseng and glycyrrhizin found in licorice root. Tests are foam test and hemolysis test. Herbs containing saponins are ginseng, soapwort and kuleja. So in first foam test, what you have to do is the saponins produce foam test when shaken vigorously with water due to their surface active properties. And the formation of stable foam upon shaking shows the presence of saponins. Second is hemolysis test. We take a drop of blood in slide and add saponin solution. Then if RBCs get ruptured, it means it contains saponin glycosides. Next is cyanogenic glycosides. It contains cyanohydrin A glycone and releases toxic cyanide upon hydrolysis. Example is amygdaline found in bitter almonds and linamarin found in cassava. Test is Prussian blue test. Other herbs containing cyanogenic glycosides are bitter almonds, flaxseed and bamboo shoots. The cyanogenic glycosides can be identified using Prussian blue test. In this, uh, potassium ferricyanide solution and hydrochloric acid are added to test solution. And the formation of blue color due to release of cyanide ion shows the positive result, that is cyanogenic glycosides are present. Iridoid glycosides, they are detected by Keller-Kiliani test, which involves the treatment of test solution with lead acetate solution followed by addition of glacial acetic acid and then a few drops of ferric chloride solution. And positive result is indicated by the formation of red color. The herbs containing iridoid glycosides are devil's claw, gentian and blue flag. Next is steroid and triterpenoid glycosides. They can be detected by Lieberman-Butcher test and Salko-Vasky test. In Lieberman-Butcher test, alcoholic extract of drug is treated with chloroform, acetic anhydride and then added concentrated sulfuric acid through the side walls of test tube. And the positive result is indicated by the formation of a brown ring at the junction, and after that if upper layer turns green, that it shows the presence of steroids, and if deep red color is obtained, then it shows the presence of triterpenoids. In Salkovsky test, in the alcoholic extract of drug, concentrated sulfuric acid is added to the side walls of test tube to chloroform extract, and positive result is indicated by if the lower layer turns red and shows or it confirms the presence of steroids. If yellow color, then it shows the presence of triterpenoids. So these are some of the, we have compiled the herbs containing glycosides. So the glycosides are commonly found in medicinal plants and are responsible for various pharmacological effects. We have already seen that they have various biological activities like anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antiviral, anti-cancer, cardiovascular, laxative, etc. However, some glycosides are also toxic, so they should not be consumed in very large quantity if they are not properly processed. So thank you so much. Stay connected with SAIEDUPHARMAA. Do write us in comment section you want videos on which topics. Hope you are liking our videos. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.